Hello everyone. Now you are watching the 3D elevation view of a budget-friendly house design, located in Anuradhapura.
Niwasa. The design of perfect plan.
This house is designed with a simple and modern exterior, focusing on affordability while maintaining an attractive appearance. Starting with the front elevation, you can see a clean and balanced design. The roof structure is kept simple to reduce construction cost, and the overall shape gives a neat and modern look. The front porch and car park area are designed to be practical and comfortable. The open structure allows easy vehicle access and also improves ventilation, which is very important for the Anuradhapura climate. As the 3D view rotates, you can see the side elevations. The window placements are carefully planned to allow maximum natural light and airflow into the house while keeping the exterior design simple. Moving to the rear elevation, the design continues with the same simple and functional approach. The roof slope and wall heights are designed to protect the house from heat and weather conditions common in this area. The overall color concept shown in the 3D elevation gives a modern yet calm appearance, suitable for a residential environment like Anuradhapura. Thank you for watching.
Niwasa. The design of perfect plan.